Hi guys, our today's video about best 10 awesome new kitchen gadgets that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 1, VR Multi-Purpose Premium Pizza Cutter. This is durable and stylish pizza cutter from VR makes it a thoughtful addition to your kitchen equipment. The design and functionality of this pizza cutter from VR make it incredibly easy to use. The stainless steel blade and its sharp edge gives the perfect cut and also saves time since it has been designed for all kinds of pizza sizes. The elongated handle of this pizza cutter gives a great grip to the user. At number 2, Simpson Egg Boiler. This egg boiler poacher cooks the egg in 10 minutes without any fat or oil. The egg is cooked uniformly and takes very less time. There is no noise to it surprisingly. It has an unbreakable lid and comes in attractive colors. It is very easy to use, even a kid can operate and cook egg within no time. At number 3, Store Skill Multifunctional Vegetable Cutter. The drum grater can be used to shred or grate cheese, vegetable, chocolate and nuts, creating even slices, vegetable salads, different cuts and decorative riffles. 4 different rotary ultra-sharp cylinders slicer that can easily be changed depending on your culinary needs. High-quality stainless steel drums. Coarse grade drum, fine grade drum, cutting and slicing drum. The suction cup feet at the bottom can be fixed to any flat surface, stably easy to rinse clean with water. At number 4, Ganesh Plastic Multipurpose Vegetable and Fruit Chopper Cutter. Ganesh is one of the leading brands that have a wide range of kitchenware and home appliances which fulfills almost all requirements. It committed to give highest standard of quality using better raw materials. Ganesh believe in adopting high standard quality control measures. It use excellent workmanship to design products with the advanced systems and technology. At number 5, Sidmati Alligator Slice. Sidmati Tomato Slicer takes all the frustration out of slicing up tomatoes. It features extra sharp, stainless steel blades, but is designed to protect the user's fingers as well. This unique slicer quickly turns one tomato into perfect thick slices in no time. At number 6, Black Olive's Portable Electric USB Juice Maker. This juicer cup, 2-in-1 design, a water bottle and also a juicer, lightweight, is easy to carry to school, office, parks, gym, yoga, Zumba, aerobics, sports coaching classes, camping, anywhere you want to, and it also convenient for charge by power bank, laptop, computer, car or other USB devices. It has 4-blade 304 stainless steel blade on the bottom of bottle, so that you can make a cup of fresh and delicious juice by yourself. At number 7, Silicone Pancake Mold Egg Ring. This ring mold is ideal for families who want to make breakfast quickly and easily with eggs, pancakes, cookies, hash browns, fritters, and even omelets. It's also easy to pop out of mold straight onto the plate in just a few minutes. Not everyone loves food that blends together or touches, especially when they're vastly different, by cooking separate items in the same pan without creating an unintentional goulash. At number 8, Pigeon Polypropylene Mini Handy and Compact Chopper. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution to chop up your vegetables and fruits, look no further. The Pigeon New Handy Chopper is the perfect and affordable solution for all your chopping needs. This manual chopper chops and cuts vegetables in a hassle-free manner with minimal effort. At number 9, Inculture Water Bottle Cleaning Brush. The cup brush with double-sided bristle brush, 360-degree no dead angle cleaning, makes cleaning your glassware a breeze. Just make sure you rotate cups clockwise on center brush, as going counterclockwise will unscrew the center brush. This cup scrubber for sink works well for all kinds of cups, such as baby bottle, sports bottles, beer bottles, wine glasses, long cups, vacuum cups, travel bottles, beer players, rice bottles, vases or coffee pots, etc. At number 10, Fronix 3-in-1 Compact Rotary Peeler. This vegetable peeler from Fronix is a combination of 3 blades fitted in a triangle shape. This in turn is fitted in a transparent plastic shape with an opening. The center dial helps you in rotating the triangular part, which switches the blades. Perfect for peeling skins of apple, carrots, butternut, squash, citric fruits, potatoes, tomatoes, kiwi and any other vegetable or fruit you can think. So what do you think? If you think this video is helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. If you have any more suspicions or inquiries, get in touch with us in our comments section. Our specialists will reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching this video.